So after 6 or 8 pails, I've done as much as I can to a 30-year-old roof. Those big bumps there, this one here and this one here, actually gravel that's been tarred over. They actually poured the gravel onto it, unfortunately, so couldn't get it off. It's a bulge, and then they went and put tar, and then they went and put the rocks on it, and now it's sort of like concrete. You can see the other bulges there, and then of course this was earlier today, but I had to be able to blow it, so of course dust gets onto it. So you can see the big rumple in the roof. It's actually tar with tar paper, hot mopped into place, but somehow it buckled. And they're in quite a few places. See, there's not a lot of tar on this roof, so it's sort of, you know, you have to try to spread out everything a little bit better, maybe even rake it or something, I don't know. So sort of, you know, where do you start, you know? Where do you stop? You can see there's 2 different layers, 2 different coatings here, and again it's soft. There's a big bulb there. So just looking for obvious holes, but I don't see any obvious holes. So you can actually hear, the sound of hollowness. So same sort of thing. I've moved away the gravel. It's quite a few inches thick here because I've done all this. There's the big bulge there. So, and here's my roof hatch. So this is just something very, very simple. You can see as an example I used just regular 2x3s, and then I put drip edge around the outside of it, and then I went and used peel and stick roofing, which is roll roofing, and that's going to glue itself down, and it's going to bend over the edges after a good couple of hot days, and that'll be perfect. Nothing wrong with that. Much lighter than the other one, which I threw off the roof. And that's basically it, guys. So, not really more of a boring video, more for the owner. So, all that over there, this. So there's about 10 feet by 10 feet, at least another 10 by 10, another 10 feet by 10 feet, and this and that is another 10 by 10. So 1, 2, 3, 400 square feet done. Now there's a little bit more up there. Let's say maybe 450 square feet. So just basically the CR40 made by Condor, sold at Rona. You can see. And that's all there is. So works very, very, very well, especially for old roofs. That's the UPC code. So that'll get the job done. And that basically, as you see, simply pour it right into place and use a squeegee. I used a trowel, and that works perfectly well, especially around the old attic hatch. Anyways, guys, time to shut up and trying to get a few more years out of this old roof. So, alrighty then, guys. SAN 379 out.